Hey guys, I want to do a quick review on this power reliable 40 amp MPPT charge controller. This can handle an open circuit voltage of 170 volts and, as I said, charge at up to 40 amps. Cooling fan on this side, LCD display, and then hookups for your solar panel, battery, and then DC load like lights. If you had that, and then there's even the communication port. I set this thing up, walked away for a few minutes to grab some tools, and it's already got my little battery topped off. As you can see, it's at 100% there. I just have a little 100-watt panel here that I use primarily just for topping off batteries, which I'll be putting on the camper and taking with us mobile. But these MPPT charge controllers are really the best. They've pretty much replaced the PWM controllers in most situations. You have much better conversion from your solar panels using the MPPT. And this is plenty expandable for me. I mean, I could add several more panels on here. I also like that it's auto sensing, so it doesn't matter if it's your battery is 12, 24, 48 volts. This will pick that up and then charge accordingly. I also like the LCD screen because I can see exactly what's going on. We can see that we've got 23 volts from the panel. Even tells us the temperature, 25C inside the inverter. The cooling fan on this hasn't even turned on yet. It's probably been running for, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes or so. And we can see our battery at 14.7 volts, 100% state of charge. So, and then we have no DC load. This thing, like I said, this is just great. Let's, can't quite see that, but it looks like that also agrees. So voltage is 14.8. So I just have this set up on the driveway right now just to test it out before I find a mounting spot to put it in the camper. But I plan to get this going here soon and hook it up to, still haven't decided, either 24 or 48 volt battery bank. But so far so good.